Oh, Becca's all blurry.
Am I?
Yeah.
Am I blurry?
There we go. Oh dear. So, where are we going today, Boo?
Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, it's our first Disney day. I'm really excited.
You've taken your ears off though.
I did, the car knocked them off my hand. So, apparently I'm not as short as I thought. So, yeah, we are just driving up to Magic Kingdom now. We've got Be Our Guest breakfast at 9:30 and it's currently like 5 to 8. Because, oops. Yeah, all good.
We did have a longer day yesterday than we intended.
Yeah, we did. We were sort of thinking we'd be back at the resort for like 9ish and it ended up being like 11ish. I think. I don't know. I know we all got back and...
Ow.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Literally hit the beds. I went to sleep. There was no anything. I don't think anyone even
We were like,
spoke.
oh, we'll have a cup of tea and our cake from the night before, but no.
No cake, just bed. But that's fine. So, yeah, we will see you at Magic Kingdom.
There's Halloween stuff outside.
Welcome to this magical kingdom. I'm Tobias Quick, one of the Royal Majesty makers, and I'm late. I better get on with it. It is hereby decreed that all are welcome in this happy place, where the young and the young at heart can explore and laugh and play together. Here, where magic awaits you around every corner, bursting with the joy and inspiration to make your dreams come true. And now, to officially welcome you today, please welcome the one and only Mickey Mouse!
Well, hi everybody! Oh gosh, it sure is great to see so many good friends. So, are you excited to be here today? I thought so. Oh, hey pal, thanks for getting things started. And now that we're all together, I've got a surprise for you. You see, when folks from around the kingdom heard you were going to be here, well, they just had to come and give you a great, big welcome! Everybody's here. I think it's time to start the day. And that means it's time for just a little
magic?
Oh gosh, it's the fairy godmother.
She must have heard you, Mickey.
Why, hello, everyone. Oh, my. Look at all of you. Oh, so many smiling faces, including yours. Now, how may I be of assistance?
Well, do you think you can help kick off our magical day?
Oh, of course, my dear. Oh, and I know just the trick. But I'll need everyone's help with the magic words. On the count of 3, we're all going to say, bibbidi, bobbidi, boo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bibbidi, bobbidi,
Let the magic begin!
Thank you for joining us here in this magical kingdom. Have a wonderful day.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get going. See you real soon.
So, that's Becca's opinion on Magic Kingdom so far. It's hot, guys, like really hot. We're already sticky. My hair's already up because the humidity's already messing with it. And all we've achieved so far is watching the welcome show,
And geckos.
which was awesome, and they're playing with the geckos. So yeah, we're just walking up to be our guests for breakfast. evening. So we didn't end up vlogging a lot today. We're pretty terrible. I think the last thing we said was we were going to get breakfast. We had breakfast at Be Our Guest. It was really, really nice actually. And I did intend on vlogging the food, but we all kind of tucked in. But I did take some pictures, so I will put those in for you now. Yeah, it's been a really, really hot day at Magic Kingdom, and it was kind of busy. Not as busy as when we usually come up, but when we usually come up we start at 9 and just kind of work our way around. Whereas I think having breakfast and then, I don't know, it just felt like super hectic and like we couldn't really get on much today. So we didn't get a lot of rides done, but we did a few. We did Thunder Mountain twice, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, and Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor, which was a first for me and Carl actually as well. I'm not sure if we did anything else. I don't feel like we did. And then we left the park a little bit early. We had a wander around all the shops and things and left the park a bit early, and it's now 7:30 and we're just gonna pop out and do a little bit more shopping at the other outlets. I can't remember what we were going for. There was something. But yeah, the other guys are going to get in the car, so I am going to go and catch them up and we are going to go and do some shopping. So we are back from outlet shopping. It was a bit of an adventure. The sat-nav decided she didn't know where she was, so it took like an hour to get there, but all good. We didn't find too much. Carl got a t-shirt. Just one t-shirt? Yeah. And that was about it. So yeah, it was an okay trip, but we didn't do a lot up there tonight. We've just come back to the resort and we're just going to have a turkey club sandwich from the hotel restaurant and crash out because it's now 11:15 again. And we've got Epcot tomorrow, so another early start. So we will see you in the morning. We will vlog better tomorrow, I promise.